Hello!
Hello!
We have today to open Kinder Surprise egg as usually and mystery pack, kind of party pack from Spider-Man. Actually, Sammy tried to open this already, he couldn't resist and partly opened but didn't take a look inside yet. So that's the package of Spider-Man mystery bag. Okay, that's a bag, so probably there will be something like this, what we see here, I don't know, or one of them. We'll see. And Kinder Surprise egg. What we going to open first? This?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open it, Sammy. Let's take a look. What is in there? Sammy likes Spider-Man. Okay, take a look what we found here. We found 3 kind of pairs of sweets. We found button with 3 different types of Spider-Man, which is nice. You can put there one of it, I think. Yeah, taking this, put this, and put it like this. Okay. We found a Spider-Man emblem or something like a spider glowing at night button. Yeah. We found some stickers. They are pretty nice. We found some stuff like this. Yeah, that's what we can do. We'll try to make it later on. And the latest thing, lollipop was there as well. And that thing to put colors on, coloring book. And sketching. You can try to draw Spider-Man here. That's kind of nice. That's something to solve. Well, that's another. Okay. It's pretty nice things we found inside. Yeah, that's the button. I can show you how to change the thing. You can open it. You can take another one of those. Let's say we'll take this one and change it. Take this off and put this in. Close it and you have a button like this. When you put this on the sun during the day, it's supposed to glow at night, which is nice as well. Let's make a building. Okay. Then we'll try to take a building from here. Sammy?
Yeah?
Do you love your daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Very much?
Yeah.
That's good. Your daddy loves you as well. Okay. We put the building kind of together. Put together. And now we try to put the building on it. Yes, that's our building. Then we can take one of the Spider-Mans. Let's try this one again. Take this guy off. Sammy?
Yeah.
You like Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Cool. And then we put the Spider-Man here.
Cool.
So it's something like this. It's pretty cool. Yes, Sammy? Now it's time to open Kinder Surprise egg. What is our toy today? Let's take a look inside. Okay, I think I know what is this. It's something to throw. Yeah. You put this thing on the beginning of the stuff and you can throw it. And we'll try to put this here. It's something like that. Yep. So we have something like this and we can throw it somewhere. Whoa! That's all. That's a mess we made. You want to ask YouTubers to subscribe our channel?
Yeah.
Yeah, so subscribe and leave a comment. Bye bye.
Bye. See ya.
See ya.